depth reading is stable at 3,500.
Yes, but we're getting significant distortion around the tail. Look here.
Hold it there, hold it.
Okay, lower 2 feet. Steady.
She's down.
She's down.
Pull harder, almost set.
I'm giving it everything.
Watch the clearance on the left.
Convoy is approaching Gate Alpha. Gates are opening now. Proceed slowly.
Copy that. Moving forward steady.
Gates are fully open. Confirming clearance on the port side. Continue forward very slow.
now, crank the left.
Check the corrosion levels here at the joint.
The readings match the salvage report. We need to secure the cargo bay.
All right, team, slow down now. Adjust slightly to the left. Perfect, hold it there.
Bring that platform around to the starboard side.
Look at the state of this fuselage section. I'm seeing significant metal fatigue near the rivets.
Confirmed. We need a full ultrasonic scan on the wing box, too.
The corrosion here is worse than the scans indicated. Check the fuselage near the lift point.
Reading high stress values right here, Captain. We need a closer look at these rivets.
We need to align the next section precisely.
Confirmed. Bay 3, hold the lift steady.
Control, this is Team 3. The starboard stabilizer is secure.
Roger that. Moving the heavy lift crane to Bay 4. Adjust the main rig to the fuselage joint, Section 4.
Copy that. The light reveals heavy pitting here.
All scaffolding points locked and tagged. Lift systems checked out. We are good to go on the starboard side.
Ensure the laser measurements align with the digital blueprints before proceeding. The structural weakness here is critical.
Understood. We'll double check the alignment now.
Lift clear on your side, Tom. Roger that. Bring it in slowly. Watch the clearance on the right side. Looks good from here. Keep it slow.
We have stabilization on hydraulic lift B. Torque wrench engaged.
Copy. All readings nominal.
Easy, easy now. A little to the left. Hold it right there. Secure the brace.
We're clear for the new panel now.
All right, easy on the hydraulics.
Almost there, just a little more to the left.
Okay, bring it down 5 more inches. Watch the hydraulics on the left. Looks good from here. Hold it steady. Hit the torque on 3. 1, 2, 3. Gear secured, main bolt tight.
Torque levels stable at 95%.
Confirmed. Alignment is perfect. Send the confirmation signal.
Bring it up 10 more centimeters. Copy that. Watching the clearance on the starboard side.
Be careful with that wiring harness. It looks unstable.
I know. I'm documenting the fraying now.
Watch your step. Mind the gap in the floor.
Secure the junction box at Station 42.
Confirmed. Torque wrench engaged.
All right, easy on the crane. Bring it left just a fraction. Copy that, moving left.
We are showing green on the lower mount. Copy that, proceeding with final adjustments.